Good evening, everyone. Uh, we completed one more milestone 2 days back on 27 February 2016. The 10th anniversary of Maldi Goa. A decade of fun, fashion, entertainment, food, and memories. A dream which was dreamt studying abroad, conceptualized, completed, and finally opened on 27th of February 2016. This is Maldi Goa. We had to pay a price for that. The price was being Ahmed Noman, moving out from Bangalore, shifting to Goa to complete one dream of making this mall. Today, as we celebrate this 10th anniversary, I feel truly grateful. The past decade has been an incredible journey of vision, determination, hard work, challenges, growth, and success. I recollect when we had conceptualized way back in 2006 that we should have a mall in Goa, myself and my elder brother Rajesh. We did a lot of research. We spoke to many of our friends and industry people. Many of them said, "अरे भुवन तुका हांगी कित्याक मॉल? हांगा तू यो मरे सुशेगाद एक ड्रिंक घे बसूया आमी शायकान." Everything was coming like this. Still, we were not, we said no, let's not, let's still try. Then we called the IPCs, the best of the IPCs, we spoke to them, and we got them to Goa. I recollect it was August 2006. We flew down from Bombay, we got them here, took them around, made a tour of Goa, entire North Goa, in and out mall, Panjim and everything. And then the chief executive, he says, भुवन मुझे डर लग रहा है ना क्यों मुझे यहाँ पे कोई बंदा दिखता नहीं है आपको यहाँ पे मॉल खोलना है दिस वर द वर्ड्स वी डोंट सी एनी पीपल हियर एंड यू वांट टू ओपन अ मॉल and but then still we said no we have a faith we have got we have been in real estate in Goa for last since 1990 mall should mall will happen then he said okay you can go ahead but I can't assure you the rents what you'll get the business what will happen but if you are going ahead we'll be with you and that's how the journey started as we go ahead these years have been so much of a challenge. Getting retailers in was not an easy task. We know everyone had the same thing. Goa was not a market in top 100 markets of India where in retail, where malls could happen. Still we went ahead and go ahead. What started as a dream has grown into something very meaningful today. It's only because of the trust, support, and dedication of our entire team, our retail partners, and millions of our loyal customers. They have been with us from day one. Thank you a lot. At Jai Bhuvan Builders, our focus has been very simple. Build with quality, lead with integrity, and create spaces that add real value to people's lives. These 10 years have taught us that success is not just about projects completed, but about relationships built and trust earned. Today, Mall Digua stands proud not merely as a shopping center, but a destination for memories, a thriving hub for the community, and a space where families and friends get together and enjoy. As we step into the next decade, we aim to grow bigger, think bolder, and continue setting new benchmarks, not just in the real estate, but in the way we do business. The best is yet to come. This 10 years is the beginning. Please wait for Mall Digua 2.0. I sincerely thank my team for the passion and commitment, our retail partners for their belief in us and placing their confidence in our vision and being part of this journey, and our loyal shoppers for the trust, support, and continued patronage. This milestone belongs to all of you. Thank you very much for being part of our wonderful journey. Thank you.
नमस्कार हांव भुवनी शेट डायरेक्टर जय भुवन बिल्डर्स मॉल गोवा. आज आमचे 10वे एनिवर्सरी ऑफ मॉल गोवा ओपन जावन आज म्हणटा 10 वर्सां जालीं म्हाका आज तोच दीस याद येता किंवा आमचे मुखेलमंत्री आनी लोकप्रिय नेते मनोहर भाई पर्रीकर तेणे आमचो मॉल इनॉग्रेट केल्लो. हे 10 वर्सां एकदम कशें गेले ते कळूंकच ना. Ever since we opened the mall, continuously we have been getting lot of support आणि trust from our shoppers म्हणा आमचे लोकल गोंयकार आमचे मॉलान येवन आमकां बिझनेस दिलो तेचे आमी खूब आभारी आसा. आतां आमचे फर्स्ट एक डिकेड कंप्लीट जाले मॉलाचे. एज वी गो फॉरवर्ड आमी आतां मॉलाचे आनी एक म्हणा एक थोडे वाडोवन एक रिनोवेशन करपाचें सोदता ताकी आमचे शॉपर्साक आमचे रिटेलर्साक आनी ब्रँड न्यू एक्सपिरियन्स मेळो म्हणून. सो प्लीज वेट फॉर मॉल दी गोवा 2.0. थँक्यू.
राजेश शेट, डायरेक्टर जयबोन बिल्डर्स. आमचे आतां मॉलाक ऑनरेबल लेट डिफेन्स मिनिस्टर आमचे लेट मनोहरभाई पर्रीकरान इनॉग्रेट केल्ले 2016 तेन्नाच्यान आतां आमचे 10 वर्सां जालीं. सो 10 वर्साचो एक प्रोग्राम आमी आयज दवरिल्लो आनी वी आर एक्चुली ग्रेटफूल टू ऑल अवर कस्टमर्स जे आमचे कडेन कंटिन्युअसली येता आनी आमकां पेट्रनायज करता आनी इतलो मोग दाखयला आमकां. ताका लागून आमी इतलीं वर्सां बरे भशेन चालू आसा आनी वी हॅव बीन एबल टू सॅटिस्फाय द रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ वॉट द पब्लीक वॉन्ट्स हियर सगळें आशिल्ले कारणान. आनी आतां कशी गेली ही कळूंक ना. 10 वर्सां मदें एक पयलो असो ब्रेक आयलो भशेन एक 4 वर्सां बरी चल्ले मागीर एक ब्रेक आयलो आनी मागीर परत 5 वर्सां अशें गेले. कशें जालें हें कळूंकच ना आमकां. पण येस इट इज अ व्हेरी रिवॉर्डींग आनी एक्सपिरियन्स फॉर अस. प्लस आमकांय तितले लक्षान पयलीं वचूना की कितले लोक हांगा कामाक आसता म्हणून. नियरली आमी एक वेळार कावंट घेतिल्लो तेन्ना एक 1200 लोक काम करता मॉलान. एका जाग्यार 1200 लोक काम करपी हें सगळ्यांत एक व्हडलें अचिवमेंट अशें म्हणपा जाता. कित्याक आमी सगळ्यांक एम्प्लॉय करचें ना पण रेस्टॉरंट आसा रिट्स आसा तो करतलो एक 50-60 लोकांक. बीग बाजार आशिल्ले तेन्ना ते 200 लोकांक दवरताले. तशें करून सगळ्यांक एक एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्लस गव्हर्मेंटाक सुद्दां मॉलाक लागून एक टॅक्सेशन कितें आसा सगळें एवरीथींग इज कमींग इन टू द इकॉनॉमी. गव्हर्मेंट वायट इकॉनॉमी म्हणटा आमी. अशें न्ही की दुकानदारान दाखयल्लें तितलेंच दाखोवंक मेळटलें म्हणून. कित्याक एवरीथींग बिकॉज ऑफ दीज रिटेलर्स आर पॅन इंडिया. all sales are accounted and the government gets a good taxation. Anyway, these are just what a mall helps the local economy in moving ahead. आमी असोच सगळ्यांचो आमचेर मोग आसूनी म्हणटा आनी फुडलींय तशेंच आमचो टायम तसोच फुडें बरो भशेन वचूं म्हणून मागणी करता.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.